Are you ready to learn a new way of earning money? Do you want to utilize your skills and get handsome amount of dollars? Then come, let's start earning on Fiverr. Yes, Fiverr. Today I will dig out treasure out of Fiverr. There are so much to share with you. So do watch this complete video. Fiverr.com. It is really very hard to find anybody who does not know about Fiverr. Today, everyone knows about Fiverr due to the useful services that Fiverr is providing to the whole world. You can really make money on Fiverr in a very short time. These are the roles that you can play in Fiverr: graphics and design. Do you know about graphics and designing? Can you work on these logo and brand designing? Gaming, art and illustration, visual design. See all these tasks. Can you work on these? Then let's start working on it and create a gig on graphics and designing. Digital marketing. Can you do digital marketing? Can you do social media marketing? SEO? Can you do video marketing? Can you bring web traffic for the clients? Any of the tasks you can do, then just start working on it and start making money. Writing and translation. Can you write articles and blog posts? Can you do translation? Or can you give online language lessons? Whatever jobs you can do from all these, you can just start working right now. Video and animation. Can you do video editing? Or can you create short video ads? Can you create visual effects? Or can you do logo animation? Or are you capable of doing any of these jobs? Then just start working right now. What you are waiting for? Music and audio. Can you do voiceover? Are you singer? Can you give online music lessons? Can you create sound effects? Or can you do any of these tasks? Then just start working right now. Programming and technology. Do you know about WordPress? Can you make any website in WordPress? Do you know website builders and CMS? Do you know about game development? Can you work as a web programmer? Do you know e-commerce development? Can you develop a mobile app? Do you have capabilities to develop desktop applications? Can you do user testing? Can you create databases? Can you conduct online coding lessons? Then what you are waiting for? You are really able to make money right now. Do you know about e-commerce management? Can you work as a virtual assistant? Can you do data entry tasks? Can you create a presentation? Can you provide branding services? Or can you do market research? Then you can really make money right now. Lifestyle. Can you conduct online lessons, fitness lessons, craft lessons, cooking lessons, and do you have any arts and craft skills? Then just start earning right now. What you are waiting for? Industries. You can check from here in which industry you are interested in. Just choose that and just start earning. Just create your gigs. What are gigs? Now I will tell you what are gigs. See, these are gigs. Gigs actually show that which services you are providing. Look at this one. She says, I will write SEO website content, and she is charging $5 for this. In the similar way, you can also create your gigs, and the people will contact you like this. Just same like when I will click here, it will take me to the page where I can just buy this service. I will just click continue button and it will take me to the payment, and I can get beneficial from this service. So now let's join it. Very simple. I have joined it. Now you can see, you can check whatever you can do. Now I will tell you in detail what you can do over here. Social media services. If you have plenty of Facebook contacts or Twitter followers or LinkedIn contacts or Google Plus contacts or any other social contacts, then you can promote other people's websites or blogs or YouTube channels or videos. And you can easily make $5 for driving traffic to their websites or blogs or YouTube channels as well. You can get paid for quick writing. If you have the ability to write fastly, then you can really get paid handsome amount of dollars. You can make $25 per hour for typing 400 words in 10 minutes. So don't wait and show your skills to your buyer. Once your buyer trusts you, then in future your buyer will only contact you if he again needs any writing task to be accomplished. You can get paid for using traffic generation software that you can use to promote your client's website, and you can make $5 in a minute and $300 per hour. You can get paid for creating digital drawings. People are always searching for digital drawings experts. If you know about any automated drawing tools, then you can create your digital drawings quickly and make money quickly. Paid research. Here you can find research projects also, and you can use Google to do research. A tightly focused research will enable you to do research in a very short time. There is another interesting way to earn in Fiverr is by becoming a virtual assistant and get paid. You can work as a virtual assistant for your clients in Fiverr and earn money by working 1 or 2 hours daily. You can get paid for modifying pictures according to the client's wish. If you have the knowledge to remove background of the images or pictures using Photoshop, then you can seriously make dollars. A lot of people are looking to get the background removed of their pictures that they want to use online. If you can design business cards, then awesome. There are a lot of companies who need business cards, and they demand people with even basic graphic skills who can design their business cards. You can make a video testimonial. If you have a presentable look and you have professional speaking power in front of camera, then you can offer video testimonials and get paid. You can get paid by using a software to find SEO keywords. There is a huge demand for this type of service nowadays. If you know programming, then you can make money by creating a gig stating you as a professional programmer, and you will be asked to accomplish any programming related task and get paid. So get started on Fiverr today and start utilizing your time and skills to get quick cash. If you want to create your gig, then just click over here and go to your dashboard. Click Start Selling. Sign up and create your first gig today. Now we are going to create a gig. Get started. Hit this continue button. Write your full name over here. Write your description over here, means your work experience, the projects you have completed, and your area of expertise. Like here I will write, I am a professional, blah blah blah. You will have to write at least 150 words. I'm just putting dummy text over here, but you will have to provide your correct information. Just choose your language and just continue. And now here, professional information. write your occupation and since when you're working for, and you will have to choose 2 to 5 skills, best skills in your occupation. You can add new from here also. Here you will have to add your skills. Like I added SEO expert and I added its level. You can add another skill like programming. Choose your level of experience from here. You can just select expert and then click add. See here your skill is added. Now come to the next. You will have to add your education. I added this information here. You can add like this, your country of college or university. Here you will have to write your college or university name, then your degree title and your major subject and click the add button. Next you can write certification information, it's optional. And here you will have to write the URL of your personal website if any. After that you will have to click this continue button and here you can connect your accounts, your social accounts, then hit this continue button. After this you will have to provide your phone number and get it verified. After this step just hit this finish button. You are all done. So let's give title to your gig. I will do professional select the category and here you will have to select the subcategory SEO. Here you will have to choose the service type. It's page optimization. Here you will have to provide gig metadata. Please select the industries you focus on. Select the industries that you will be focused on and write the search tags over here. You can add 5 tags maximum. Then hit the save and continue button. Here you will have to write your package name. You will have to describe the details of your package that you are offering. And you will have to select the delivery time from here, 1 day, 2 day or 3 day. Select the number of pages on which you will provide your service. Select the pricing from here. You can add extra services if you want. And after that, just hit the save and continue button. Here you will have to briefly describe your gig. After that, just hit the save and continue button again. This description should be 120 characters long. So I'm just putting dummy text over here for you, but you will have to write your correct details. Just hit the save and continue button. Tell your buyer what you need to get started. If there is any requirement, then you can write it over here. You can write like details of your website. Add and hit this save and continue button. Here you can choose your gig video, gig photo, and your gig photo should be 550 width and 370 height. So I will just browse a dummy photo. And save and continue. Here you will have to take tests. After completing these two tests, you will have to just click this publish button and your gig will be published.